everyone on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is your Wax Girl, and it's been a couple years. It's been a very long time. I got caught up in a lot of other projects. I went back to work full time. There's a lot of things that kind of just interrupted me making candles full time, and so I wanted to jump back on because, well, let's be honest, we're all quarantined and nobody has jobs. So I am here to start uploading to YouTube again, which is really exciting. I have definitely changed my career path with candles. So going back to it, there's a lot of people who make candles. Like, it's a very saturated market, and it's hard to find something these days that's unique. But some people do it, which is awesome. There's a lot of really cool surprise candles out there. The people who make like Harry Potter candles that sort you into houses, or candles based on D&D games. I mean, there's a lot of really cool creative things out there, and I just couldn't find my niche, I suppose. And so I had stopped making candles, very generic, regular scented candles, because I'm not good with the marketing aspect, let's be honest. And so fast forward to this last January. It's not June yet. Obviously my beer is kicking in, sorry. Fast forward to this last January, and I realized this is probably more about me than you need to know. I am in the kink community, and something I noticed was that a lot of candles that are meant for body play, meaning to be dripped on people for whatever reason, whether it's bedroom activities or some like really awesome body art that I've seen out there, the colors of a lot of these candles just kind of left a lot to be desired, and there wasn't enough variety. And so that's kind of how I got into making very low temperature candles that sit on your skin, so they're easy to clean off, right? They peel off really easily, but they're low enough temperature that you're not going to burn your partner, and that they are more accessible to all different people with different pain tolerances. And so this last January, I launched my business, Notorious Toys, and I have started a YouTube channel specifically for Notorious Toys, and you can search Notorious Toys. I'm not going to link it because while it is family friendly, you're not going to see any nudity or really any cursing or anything. It is more geared towards people who are into doing this kind of wax stuff. And so if you're really interested, you could search for it, but whatever, this is a candle. This is a straight up candle channel. So I make mostly dip candles now. And so I have decided I'm gonna try to post some more videos to this YouTube channel. It's not gonna be my main priority, but I do want to post some more content out there for you. And because I mostly make dip candles, I want to talk to you guys more about that. So look for that. I got a ring light. I got something to hold my phone. As you can tell, I'm physically in a different location than I used to be. I have moved into a house with my fiance, which is really exciting because if you knew anything about me before, I was in a basement of my mom's house. So we're moving up in life. It's been a couple of years if you can't tell. My tiny manager has grown quite a bit. I'm sure I'll have him pop into a video at some point in the future. He's gonna be in kindergarten this next year. It's crazy, but it's true. So a lot's changed, and I want to talk to you more about my life, and I want to talk to you more about candles, and I don't know, whatever questions you guys have. Thank you so much, all of you, for watching my videos still. It's insane after 2 years coming back and looking at my stats and everything, and that people are still watching this channel, even though I'm so lame, so I apologize. But let's see what else. So I have an Etsy store for my wax play candles. I am now I teach wax, I'm going to be teaching a class in May here locally about wax play, but it is at the moment up in the air whether the venue will be open by the time that rolls around. So I have started putting out classes on YouTube about wax play, and let's see, I still every now and then post to my podcast. I'm very bad about that, let's be real. I don't know what else is going on, but I have missed all of you so much. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Thank you for all of your really awesome questions, and I apologize I haven't gotten to all of them, but if you start commenting on this video specifically, I will start reading comments again and trying to respond to as many as I can. I am trying to get to a point where I can monetize, because that would be super awesome if I didn't have to go back to work full time, and I can do if I'm able to work from home once we're allowed to all start working again, I will be able to put out more content because I'll be home and I'll be able to have time to sit down and edit videos and make more candles and teach things and talk to all of you. So let's see, we're at 300 something subscribers. I need 1,000. That's quite a lot. So I'm trying to put out more content, so hopefully more people will discover. But if you guys want to share with whoever you think might be interested or point people in this direction, that would be super helpful. So I will see you in our next video. I want to show more about dipping candles and talking about body safe wax. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!